Hey there, SJREI, San Jose Real Estate Investors. Listen, my name is Andy Werner, and I was out visiting you guys this week. This is February 2020. All right, and I was out visiting you guys this week. I actually taught you guys some stuff on note investing and about creative finance. And listen, I am going to be back out next week, Saturday. So next week, Saturday is the 22nd of February 2020, and I'm going to be there. I'm going to be doing a whole day workshop there in San Jose, all things note investing. But listen, not just note investing, but how to double or even triple your success rate with your current real estate deals. So for those of you investors, you wholesalers, you fix and flippers, those of you that are going direct to the seller, I'm going to show you how to double or even triple your success rate with those sellers without increasing any money that you're spending right now on marketing. And listen, it's going to allow you also through that process to actually have your cake and eat it too. And what I mean by that is you actually get a big chunk of cash today, and you're actually going to get cash flow off the very same deal month after month after month for many, many years. So I'm going to show you how to have your cake and eat it too in that same transaction. I'm going to talk about defaulted note strategies, how to invest in those, how essentially we can get a property for 25, 30 cents on the dollar. So if you love buying properties at 60, 70 cents on the dollar, wouldn't you love to get a deal for 25, 30 cents on the dollar? So I'm going to talk to you about that. I'm also going to talk to you about passive investing techniques in notes, specifically how to have very little money of your own. In fact, as little as $100, actually $100, as I talked to the group last night, about $100 of an investment and having massive passive cash flow moving forward for years and years and years. So I'm going to talk to you all about that stuff on the 22nd. I will see you there. Can't wait to see you.